Hello, welcome again to another video. Now today we are going to be looking at how to prepare garlic tea. We will first get about 4 or 5 cloves of garlic. We're going to remove the skin of the garlic like this. We'll only be needing around 4 to 5 cloves of garlic. Either we're going to cut our garlic in small pieces or we're going to crush them. I'm going to attempt to crush my garlic with my knife, right? Just put a little pressure on and we're crushing it like that. We can also cut the garlic in small pieces if we choose to after we've finished crushing, right? So we crush or cut the garlic to release the properties from the garlic. Now, after we have done this, we can either do one of two things. We can put on our kettle or we can put a small pot on the stove. Either one is okay. Today, I'm going to choose to put my kettle on. I'm going to add the garlic to a container. To this, I'm going to add boiling water. I'm going to cover this and I'm going to let it sit for about 7 minutes. Now, garlic has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Garlic helps to boost the immune system during a change in weather, especially if you have a cough or a cold. After it has been sitting for about 7 minutes, we then remove the lid or the cover. We're going to squeeze about half of lemon. And then we add a sweetener, whether honey or sugar. Today I'm adding some sugar to this tea. Then we'll give it a quick stir. We'll then remove the garlic and then we'll pour in our cup.